These are my two favorite base products. One is a foundation, the other is a skin tint. I'm going to be going in with the Milk Makeup Gel Skin Tint and the new Real Techniques Skin Tint Base Brush. This is a duo fibered bristled brush, so it gives like that stippling effect, but it leaves no streaks on the skin and leaves whatever you put on your face in a very skin-like finish. In the Milk Makeup Gel Skin Tint, I am the shade 10 for all my shade twins. If you are a Fenty 360 and her Soft Lit Foundation, then this is the perfect shade for you. I absolutely love how glowy it is. I do have oily and combo skin, by the way, so I will be setting this with powder. But for the days you kind of want to be like minimal with makeup, this skin tint is perfect for you. Now I'm going in with the OG concealer. This has been around for so long. This is the concealer from Too Faced, and right off the bat, I can't tell you guys the shade, but I will be sure to leave it down below. I love this one. It's my perfect concealing shade, so it's not my brightening shade, but it's to help cover up any dark circles. And now I'm going in with Anastasia Beverly Hills Beauty Balm. This is like a skin tint stick in a balm formula. I love using this as a cream bronzer because it just adds a sheeny dimensional warmth and sculpt to my face, and it has like the most perfect base and undertone. I find a lot of cream bronzers kind of pull a little bit red or orange on me, and this one literally looks brown. This is the Kosas Revealer Concealer in the shade 6.8W. This is my brightening shade, and this formula is very like hydrating and creamy. That's why I'm gonna let it sit on my face for a little bit. This is the only concealer I love to reach for to be able to further conceal and correct around my mouth. This is in the shade 21W, and I love how this really hides any of the discoloration that peeks through my foundation sometimes. Now I'm blending the Kosas concealer out with a Toolbox Beauty dual-ended brush. One side is for concealer and the other side is for powder. LYS Beauty makes some of the most amazing cream blush sticks, and this is in the shade Focused. I'm also using the new Real Techniques Cloudtopia blush brush. I'm loving that I'm starting to see Real Techniques launch more dual-ended brushes because they're just so handy and very convenient. Now I'm going to set my face with a big fluffy brush using One Size Beauty's translucent setting powder. I'm going in with Rare Beauty's powder blush in the shade Hope. Whenever I don't know what blush to put on, this is the one that I'm always reaching for. Rare Beauty, Rare Beauty, I need you to come to the front. This formula and these shades are amazing. I love it so much. Now we're going in with the Boucle Silk Powder from One Size. This is a finishing powder, so you're supposed to apply it after you've sprayed your face. Like, after you're done with this, don't spray your face with anything else because it will completely defeat the purpose. Going in with Rare Beauty's brow gel just for some final touches, and then I went off camera, and y'all, my hands completely took over because I was not planning on doing a festival makeup, Coachella makeup inspired look. This was more of an experimental look, but you know, at the end of the day, makeup is makeup and you can always wash it off. So don't be coming for me in the comments talking about this don't look right on you. All right, because what did I do after I filmed this? I washed it right on off, and I felt beautiful in this look, and I did like a bomb photo shoot too. So bye.